Hi, I just wanted to do a quick video on fixing the Starbucks Verismo K-feed machines. I haven't seen one for my exact model. I think they're a little bit newer, but basically there's a problem where you hear the pump running, but uh, no water or coffee is coming out of the spout. So what I did to fix that is, well, let me just kind of show you what the problem could be, or what your problem is if you're watching this video, most likely. So, oops, I just turned it off. Push one of these buttons, and even though I got mine working now, but if you do push it, you hear the motor or the pump running, but nothing's coming out. That's probably your problem, right? So what worked for me was I saw a video of someone using like a turkey baster, sticking it in there and forcing the water through, but it wasn't my exact model, so they didn't have this part in the way, so they could actually stick the turkey baster in there and force water through. But since they had a different model, since I have a different model, I can't do that because this is in the way. So I went to Home Depot and pretty much got these 3/4 pipe elbows and some pipe like that. So I got something going on like this, right, where I have an elbow up there and an elbow down here, just connected with pipe. This is all 3/4 inch. So the pipe I got was 3/4 inch, and the elbow I got was 3/4 inch. So anyway, the reason why I did that was a coupler or an elbow would work just as long as it has that connector type that would fit snugly in here. So I pushed that down there pretty good. Make sure it's in all the way. And I actually had something under here to, keep it propped up or whatever. But then I just filled this up with water and turned it on, and then just put my mouth on there and blew as hard as I could the water through here. And I had to do it like 20 times, but I don't know if it's maybe 10, 20 times. But after just repeatedly having the system running and then blowing water through here, about, I don't know, like 3 or 4 minutes of doing that, I finally got water come out here, and it was kind of dirty too. So I don't know if the problem is like the pump gets stuck after a while, or there's debris lodged in there. But pretty much you just need to force water through the system because the pump isn't doing it. So anyway, that worked for me. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I can give you some tips or give you some help. All right.